We've already known that the global pharmaceutical supply chain is very vulnerable, and the pandemic has highlighted those issues.
Quando no Brasil a pandemia começou em janeiro, né, desse ano, nós tivemos uma procura de medicamento e as indústrias de APIs no Brasil, de insumos no Brasil, elas não conseguem atender toda a demanda necessária, né?
For essential medicines like anti-malarials, anti-TB, key killers in Ethiopia, there is a huge lead time in medicines procurement for a medicine to get at the patient hands.
We've seen shortages across the board of critical medicines, anything from antibiotics to personal protective equipment, and all of these countries are basically trying to source from one or two other countries. So dependence on India and China for pharmaceuticals, intermittent shutdowns of the supply chain. It's really highlighted the need to, at least in some cases, localize manufacturing closer to the patient, closer to the disease burden.
Ficou evidente a dependência do Brasil, como de outros países, de poucos países na compra e na produção, na compra de insumos farmacêuticos. É que nós vamos ter que rever o portfólio da indústria de insumos farmacêuticos instalados no Brasil.
I think the recent coronavirus epidemic has really increased the rate of change as well as the political will.
5 to 10 years from now, Ethiopia is likely to get probably more than 50-60% of its need for medicines from local manufacturers. It is a huge step forward in improving the health of the people.